Once upon a time, in a city not too far away, lived a unique cat named President Business. He was not an ordinary cat, but a cat with a suit and a tie, always running the affairs of his little feline community. Every day, President Business would sit at his little desk, making decisions and ruling with fairness and kindness. The cats would gather around, listening to his wise words, and they all respected him deeply. One day, a small kitten named Whiskers joined the community. Whiskers was lost and scared, but President Business welcomed him with open arms. He showed Whiskers around, introducing him to the other cats, and promised to help him find his home. Whiskers was grateful for President Business's help, and they soon became the best of friends. They spent their days playing and exploring together, and the other cats admired their friendship. One evening, a storm rolled in, and the feline community was in a panic. The wind and rain were strong, and the cats were scared. President Business, despite his fear, took charge. He organized the cats, helping them find shelter and keeping them calm. In the midst of the storm, Whiskers managed to find a small wooden box buried under the ground. Inside was a note that read, "For the one who finds this, I have a secret to share. Your home is just beyond the hill." President Business's heart leaped with excitement. He had always felt a strange longing, a feeling he couldn't explain. Could this be the secret he was waiting for? He shared the news with Whiskers, and they decided to venture out in the storm to find the hill. They braved the storm, their hearts pounding with anticipation. They climbed the hill, and to their surprise, they found a beautiful house with a sign that read, "Welcome home, President Business." President Business was filled with joy. He had found his true home. But he knew that his home was not just the beautiful house, but the feline community he had made, and his best friend Whiskers. From that day forward, President Business continued to rule his community with love and kindness. He taught the other cats the importance of friendship, bravery, and always being there for one another, especially in times of need. And as for Whiskers, he grew up to be a wise and courageous cat, just like President Business. They lived happily ever after, their friendship stronger than ever, in the place they called home. The end.